If you understand that their lies about me were forms of abuse, exploitation, corruption, and theft, then you will see that I'm really dealing with a narcissist. If you understand that their tarot reading narratives were just a means of control, it becomes clear that this is narcissistic behavior. And when you witness the covert harassment happening right in front of you, while they pretend to be virtuous, you'll realize that you're dealing with covert narcissists. So why did I conclude that this was about money? Well, as this group antagonized me, they constantly talk about inheritance almost all the time. Upon closer examination, I realized the truth that these so-called readers were the very evil that they claimed to expose. So they projected their darkness onto others, scapegoating someone else. And I saw that I was the one being targeted. Their narratives painted a different picture, blaming a Leo woman, but in reality, they were describing what they were doing to me. That's when it all became clear. So why did I take matters into my own hands? Well, I reported it to the police once, but they dismissed it like a joke. That's when I saw the depth of the deception, the corruption, and the number of people they had roped into the scheme. I know this isn't how justice should work. I will seek justice for this, no matter how long it takes, even if I have to wait 10 years or more. And rest assured, I will pursue legal action to expose and hold all of you accountable.